This is a live experiment being done in my garage, my laboratory in the Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamas. This is a live experiment concerning consumption of electricity on light bulbs. This here is an incandescent bulb. This here is a CFL bulb, and this here is an LED bulb. The incandescent bulb was on the market first, before the CFL bulb, and then the LED bulb, which is now on the market. You can see the brightness in the bulb. The older bulb is less brighter than the other bulb, and the last bulb is brighter than all. Now, we know that anything that produces heat consumes a lot of electricity. Again, the LED bulb brilliance or brightness is much brighter than the CFL bulb, and the CFL bulb is much brighter than the incandescent bulb, which is good for the eyes. The brightness of the bulbs are good for the eyes. But I found out that at the base of these bulbs, we have the same amount of heat at the base of the bulbs. So the bulbs are producing the same amount of heat. That means, notwithstanding the brilliance or the brightness of the bulb, or the less brightness of the bulb, it seems as if the same electricity is being produced. The same electricity is being produced, or the same power consumption is being produced. Now, the incandescent bulbs gets hotter faster than the CFL bulb, which get hotter faster than the LED bulb. But after 10 minutes of being on, it seems as if all of these bulbs reach the same peak of heat or hotness. Again, it may take 10 minutes, but all of these bulbs after 10 minutes are going to produce the same amount of heat. So don't forget, electricity charges are based on heat, not brightness or dimness of the bulbs. A toaster oven, a microwave oven, a water heater, and an iron used for ironing produces heat after it's plugged into electricity. And because of the heat, your bill or your electricity charges from the utility company goes up based on the heat. Again, your charges is not based on the brilliance or the brightness of these bulbs. It's based on the heat. And it seems as if, based on my hand experiment, all of these bulbs at the base are producing the same amount of heat. Now, I'm going to say which company it is. But don't forget, this is an incandescent bulb, this is a CFL bulb, and this is an LED bulb. Now, I'm going to leave it up to the experts. And you homeowners, you could do the same thing. You could buy the same piece of equipment I have here, plug it into your plugs, and y'all can test it for yourselves. But then we're going to leave it up to the experts. So we don't know if it's a myth on these box and labels, or if it's a lie, or if it's the truth. But don't forget, anything that produces heat burns a lot of electricity. And all of these bulbs, incandescent, CFL, and the LED, are burning the same or producing the same amount of heat, even though their brilliance are different. One dim, one's a little brighter, and one's more brighter. You be the judge and leave it up to the experts. Signing out.